Hello everyone, welcome to the DSTech. Today I'm going to show you a common problem that is related to the Android Studio. This Android development tool may cause several issues when you start working on your personal computer. Typically, this kind of problem may be due to the lack of configuration, or it can cause any system and the application interfacing trouble. So this video tutorial will show you the problem that you are going to face when you start this application. Gradle download takes too long than expected. This is the first common problem you will face. You can see here that the Gradle zip file I am using is already downloaded and it can be start working on this project. And here I installed this Gradle by manual installation because the auto installation of the studio takes 3 hours. Sometimes it takes more than that. So better we use manual installation instead of auto. I will show you how to install it manually. So first of all, you have to access your Google Chrome browser and type the following information on the Google search, Gradle distribution. Once you search for it, you have to access the first search result, which is service.gradle.org, and just click on that. Here you can see the all distributed Gradle versions and its zip file. From here you can directly download. You can find the Gradle zip version on the Android Studio, which were try to download Android Studio itself. In my case, I have to download Gradle 5.6.4 and alt zip file. You can see another zip is also listed over here, like a bin zip and another bin.zip sha like. But commonly all of us uses .alt zip file, which is around 150 MB. Once you click on the zip file, it will automatically download. And now I am going to copy the zip file, then going to the C drive and opening the user folder and accessing username folder. Here you can see .gradle folder and just click and open the wrapper folder, and again and Gradle 5.6 folder you can see here, and also its extension folder. And here you can paste the copied Gradle zip file, and you only want to paste the Gradle zip file over here and just close the window. Once you restart the Android Studio, it will automatically unzip the file and create it for project setup. Okay, this is how I managed my problem. You can also try this method. I hope this will work for you, and thanks for watching. See you next time, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.